breast strips. Oh my goodness. What's up now, Mediocre Crew? Welcome back to another video, and welcome to my new subscribers, and also you there who is visiting for the first time. Remember to hit that subscribe button right down below before you leave. So tell me guys, how is your weekend going? Let me know in the comment section. Well, mine is not off to a bad start. It's actually going good. Actually today I decided to test out my air fryer. You know how long me get this air fryer? I got this air fryer from last year for my birthday. And guys, before I got it, I was like so excited about it. I wanted it so badly because, you know, I heard of all the amazing things that the air fryer can do. So, you know, it was one of my requests for my birthday last year. And guys, from I get it from last year, I haven't used it. And I say, you know what? I'm not gonna let June come around again and I don't use this air fryer. And to be honest, I don't even know why I didn't even use it from last year, you know, because of course the good thing about the air fryer is that it makes life so much easier. It makes everything so much easier, you know. So today guys, I have with me my caloric air fryer right here, right? Yeah, so what I'm gonna do in this air fryer is that I'm gonna test out making fried chicken. Of course, I did a little research already as to how to use it. It comes with the manual and everything, but I couldn't bother to reach through the manual. So I looked look at some YouTube videos as to how to use it. So gonna be a copycat. As and just follow like some of the instructions that I saw from other YouTubers and see how my chicken turns out. I have some chicken strips, breast chicken strips, yes, which I seasoned from yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, from yesterday morning. So you know, say well seasoned, right? So I will be skipping over the parts where I show you all the different seasons that I had. So, you know, well seasoned and everything. So I'm just gonna do the rest of little things to it and then throw it in the air fryer and see how it turns out. So if you own an air fryer guys and you like using it, and you know, just let me know. Maybe tell me like some of the things you've done in your air fryer. For me, I plan on using it more for real this time, because to me, come like, you know, when you're a child and you point out things that you want to your parents and you get it after a while, you know, use it again. I feel like that's what happened to me. You know, I wanted the air fryer so badly, I got it, and I just didn't use it. So, you know, I need to change that. So anyway guys, let's get right into making some fried chicken. Alright guys, so this is how the air fryer looks. So it's the caloric air fryer. As I said, I haven't tested it out as yet. It came with some additional containers like this one right here and this. Yeah, and these are the chicken strips that I'll be using, and I'll also be using 2 eggs to coat the chicken with, and this is my flour, and I'm going to add a half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, and also going to coat the strips with some vegetable oil. All right, you know, based on what I heard others say is that they use the vegetable oil to coat the chicken because you know, it's not like when you're French frying chicken where you're going to use all that oil with the chicken. So I guess that the vegetable oil prevents the flour from sticking to the chicken. Not so sure, but yeah, use a vegetable oil on the chicken strips before putting it in the air fryer. All right guys, so let's get into coating this chicken and tossing it in the air fryer. Alright, so I just plugged in the air fryer, so now I'm going to turn it on. Alright, so you can hear the fan going, guys. So that's it preheating. So now I'm going to break my eggs. Alright, so now I'm going to put my chicken breast strips in the egg. By the way, some people they added milk to their egg mixture. I don't have any milk, but I do. I have the almond milk, but I'm not going to add it to the egg. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon of the baking soda to my flour. Half teaspoon of baking powder. Just give my flour some more seasoning. Mix that around. Alright, so in my flour is the all-purpose seasoning, the baking powder, and the baking soda. So now I'm going to add my chicken breast strips to the flour, coat it with it. Coat everything with my flour. So the second step now is to spray the vegetable oil on the chicken strips, and then I'm going to re-coat it again with the flour. Alright, so the air fryer finished warm up, so we're going to add it to the basket now. Hot. So that's the basket, guys, that I'm going to put the strips in. Alright, so coat it with the put it back in the flour. Add it to the basket. Dust it off, shake it off, put it in. And just push it in. Alright, let's start it. See how it turns out. Here we go. At 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And we'll check back with it in the next 25 minutes, alright? Guys, yeah, it's at 12 minutes and I haven't flipped it as yet. So I'm gonna check on it to see how it looks. Let's look, guys. Okay, let me see how it looks. Oh, you're not ready to flip yet, man. Not ready to flip yet. Alright, I see that something is going on for it. Alright. I'm sure if you can hear that. So like, you know, like when the chicken is getting its flakes, the crispiness. Alright, so let's just continue frying. Alright guys, so the air fryer just stopped. So let's take a look at our chicken breast strips. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is not going well. By now, I would expect the color to have changed, but it's all, the flour is still coating the chicken. What have I done wrong? No, seriously. Alright, let me no. It seems like it's cooked, but the outside is still. Guys, you can see, guys, look at this. Something definitely went wrong right here. Really didn't expect this to turn out like that because I followed the instructions. Alright, let me take out one of this and look at the inside of it. I don't understand. Well, the inside of it is cooked. Look. So guys, the inside of it is cooked, as you can see. But the outside the outside didn't turn out right at all. I don't know what I did wrong. I wonder if because I did the second coating of the flour. Boy, I can't believe this, trust me. If you know what I did wrong, let me know. Or if you have ever done it and yours turn out like this, then let me know. Why me know why my one have to go like this? Look at it. Epic failure. Well guys, as you can see, my first attempt of using the air fryer to fry my chicken didn't turn out well at all. The inside of the chicken cooked, but the outside, I don't know what going to be, guys. But I'm going to try again, you know. As a matter of fact, I don't feel ashamed about it because, you know, not every time we do something for the first time, we're going to do good at it. What can I say? I tried, and hopefully when we do the second time again, it will come out good. But guys, sorry about it not coming out the way I expected it to. I followed the instructions as to how I see other people do it, and theirs come out well. Not sure why mine never come out like that. If you have any idea, please let me know, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video for me, guys. Leave a comment, and you know, as I said, let me know what you think I did wrong, because I don't know what I did wrong, guys. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre.